The niche I'm about to show you today could go viral within 2 to 3 weeks. The reason for that is that this niche is still fresh and untouched. So the people who start working on this niche first could get millions of views and go viral. Let me reveal that niche. This niche is called the riddle solving niche. Within the next several minutes, I will show you how to make creative and engaging videos for this niche that can also be monetized. Before moving into step-by-step tutorial, let me show you an example video.
If you can solve these riddles, your IQ is above 100. Number 1. I have cities, but no houses. I have mountains, but no trees. I have water, but no fish. What am I? Tip. Think about something flat and two-dimensional. So the answer is a map. Number 2. What has 1 head, 1 foot, and 4 legs? Tip. Think about furniture, not a living thing. So the answer is
The first step is finding suitable riddles for these videos. For that, I am going to use Gemini AI. Let's go to Gemini AI and ask, give me 20 uncommon challenging riddles with the answers, and give each riddles 2 tips to solve them. As you can see on the screen, we have 20 amazing riddles. We can use these for our video. Now next step is to create voiceovers. I will be using 11 labs for that. There are a lot of AI voices in 11 labs. You can even clone your voice with this. You can sign up for free and start using. It will give free 10,000 characters with the first sign up. Choose your desired voice from the list of available voices. Now we need to add something interesting at the start of the video. It should be able to get the viewer's attention. I will add something like this. If you can solve 2 riddles, your IQ is above 100. This will create some curiosity in viewers' minds. So they will probably watch the video till the end because they want to know about their IQ level. Then copy and paste the riddles that we created using Gemini AI and click Generate. It will generate the voiceovers. The next step is to create the video. First, we need to create an avatar to represent a speaker in this video. For that, I'm going to use Leonardo AI. First, sign up to your Leonardo AI account. You don't need to buy a subscription for this. They give 150 free credits every day. That's more than enough of 3 videos. So all these images are actually AI models. If you look carefully, each one of them has different characteristics. First, you should decide which type of images you will use for your videos. Then select a suitable AI model based on that. For this video, I would like to use realistic and eye-catching images, therefore this AI model would be good. Click Generate. Using this model, it will bring you to this page. These are some of the images that I generated previously. Ignore them. You can change the size of the images using these dimensions from the left menu. So I will create a prompt like this. A male person wearing a suit with a top clown hat sitting near a table front view, Riddler. Then click Generate. I think we can use this as the avatar. If you don't like the results you get, you can change the prompt and try again. Now let me show you how to animate this with voiceovers. For this, I will use Wondershare Verbo. To get started, you will need to sign up once you are on the home page. Click the talking photo option. Here you can upload your character by clicking on the upload button, or you can use the pre-built characters for your video. Click Next and afterward, you have the option to either type your script or generate the script using AI. For this video, I will paste the script that we generated using Gemini AI. You get the option to choose voices based on gender and also enable subtitles. But for this video, I will keep the subtitles off, adjust the voice settings, and once done, then click on Create Video. Within 1 or 2 minutes, your talking avatar video will be generated and ready for download. Then you can download it. However, in the free version of Wondershare Verbo, watermark will be placed on the video, but you can easily fix that by cropping the lower part of the video. Don't worry, it won't affect the video. Now we need to find suitable images. For the answer, you can use Google and find suitable images. It's really simple. If you can find images without background, that would be good for that. Search those images in PNG format. So downloaded all these images and put them in one folder. Now we need to find a background video layer. For this, let's go to pixels.com. From here, select videos and type textured backgrounds. You can use any background from this video. For this video, I'm going to use this specific background. We need to download a stopwatch animation. Go to YouTube and search for the copyright-free stopwatch green screen. Copy the link to this video, and you can download it. There are many sites available for this. You can check it by yourself. It's very easy. I cannot mention that site here due to policy issues. You can also add several sound effects like a whoosh sound and a clock ticking sound. For that, you can check out pixabay.com. From this website, you can download any sound effects without any copyright issues. Now comes the last step of editing a video. To edit this video, I will use CapCut. It's a free video editor, and you can download it to your mobile or computer. First, start a new project and select a suitable size for your video by clicking this Modify button. Select 9:16 ratio. Then import all the voiceovers and images to this. First, drag the voiceovers to the timeline and add a suitable video avatar above that. Then add the first question. After that, you need to add a background and adjust its size according to the surface area. Then drag the green screen animation of the stopwatch to the timeline. Select the green screen video and select the video from the side menu. Then select Cutout to remove the green background. Then place the stopwatch animation in the middle of this video, just like this. Then drag the first image, which is the map of the answer to the first riddle, place it in the middle, and add the voiceover part related to the answer under it. Do the same thing to all riddles. Now we need to add suitable sound effects. Add whoosh sound effects to where the images are appearing. Place the sound effect under the image layer and do this for all. Then add the clock ticking sound effect under the timer graphic. Again, do this for all riddles. Now we need to add some transitions to the images. Go to Transitions and select a suitable transition from these options. After that, we need to add captions. CapCut has a feature that can automatically generate captions. Go to the text and select Auto Captions. Then select English as the language and generate. It will generate the caption within a few seconds. Then you can edit it as per your preference. I will make the text size bigger and change its fonts as well. Interestingly, edit these text. It's completely up to you. I would recommend using bold fonts and simple colors. Make sure that these captions stand out. So I will select this font. You can add any text effects for these captions from here. Now we need to add some sliding animations. Go to Animations and select Captions from the top menu. There are several animations for captions. Here I will select this specific animation. This animation is cool because it shows word by word instead of full sentences. Then you can export the final output. So just like this, you can create videos for this niche. I hope you learned something from this video. Please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next one.